Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make passive income blogging. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell because that will notify you every single time that I put a video out. So with that being said, let's get right into it and how you can make passive income blogging. So first of all, you want to create a blog. Obviously, it's like, who doesn't want to do that? If you want to make passive income blogging, you have to have a blog. So you want to have a WordPress blog because there are a ton of free blogs out there, but they're not very good at all. So if you want to have a real blog that can make you money, you want to have a WordPress blog. So if I remember, I'll put the link of Bluehost in the description because it's very cheap. I can't exactly remember, but it's very cheap to start. So this is probably the best way to do this. So if you want to start a blog and you're interested in actually getting started, be sure to click the link in the description and that will show you how to do that. So you want to create a blog around something that you're passionate about, because you're not going to have traffic that's just going to fall down on you and just visit your blog for no reason, okay? So you're going to have to create some content around something that you really enjoy, that you would potentially do for free, and just teach people about something, whether it's cooking, because I've got cookies right there, so that's why I'm always talking about cookies. But you can do anything, it doesn't matter, something that you like, whether you like computers, tell people about computers. If you know about graphic design, you can do that as well. You can do all sorts of things, and just what are you looking at? Like, what YouTube videos are you watching? What blogs are you watching? What are you looking for on Google? It doesn't matter. If you're looking at these things that you're really interested in, then there's a good chance that you can make a blog out of it. So you just post about things that are different. So the next step is you want to post on social media, because you're going to have to post on your blog every single day. It's not going to be a weekly thing or a yearly thing or a monthly thing. You have to post every day. So if you can't post every day, at least do it 3 times a week. That's the minimum, because if you don't do this, then there's a good chance that you'll never get any traffic or any real traffic. So once you started that blog, you're posting that there. Every time that you do that, you have to post on social media. So if you're using Facebook, you have to have a Facebook page. If you have like an Instagram account, post on Instagram, put it in your stories. Tell every single person that you can that you have a blog and that you have a new blog post every single time. Obviously, there's no reason like to tell your family if they're not interested in what you're doing, or your friends and if they're not interested in what you're doing. But you have to actually get people that are interested in like watching your blog, because marketing is not about you, it's about the people that are interested. It's about helping the people that want to know about what you're doing. So if you tell people, like if you tell somebody that's really into rugby and you talk to them about cooking and they don't care about cooking, then there's no point in telling them. They'll visit your blog because they're nice, but they won't ever buy anything from you. They won't do anything, because we're going to talk about monetizing the blog soon. So you have to really get people that are targeted. And obviously people that are looking for the keywords that are in your blog, they will be interested, they will be targeted. But if you're just telling people and like you're on your friends about something they don't care about, there's no point. Maybe if they're interested in what you're doing, obviously tell them, and they might visit, they might get interested, but these are not the people that you want to target. The people that you want to target are the people that are already interested in what you're talking about. So you want to post on social media, anything that you have, Snapchat, like other blogs, Instagram, it doesn't matter, Quora, it doesn't matter what you post on, you have to post about your blog. So after a while you will start to get some traffic. It's not going to like be right now the very first post that you post, but after a while you will get some traffic because you will post the right keywords. You will have to be working on SEO, because that's another important thing, is getting the keywords in what you're writing. And then you want to monetize it, because creating a blog and making passive income is having some income. So how do you get income? There are different ways to monetize a blog. One of them is to post ads on your blog. This works. Some people make a full-time living doing ads. It does work, but it's very, very far from being the best thing to do, because people are making a living, but some other people make blogs and are making a fortune out of it. So you want to be on that side. Do you want to make a living, or do you want to make a fortune? So how do you do that? You can still post ads because ads work, but the best thing to do is to actually post some affiliate links. So you go anywhere, like something that you want to promote. So if you're doing cooking, for example, you can do you can promote some things that you use for cooking. So it doesn't matter what it is, but you have these things. So what you do is you go to Amazon Associates. They have every single thing that you can think of on Amazon, and you sign up to Amazon Associates, and you'll get a link to whatever product that you want to promote, and you'll post it in there. So you say at the end of your post, you can say, okay, so for doing this, I use this product, I also use this product, and I also use this product. And you put the 3 links or 4 links, it doesn't matter how many. If you have 100 links, that works as well. So you put all these links at the end, and if people are interested in buying whatever you're using, which most likely they will be, unless they already have it, then that is how you're going to make some money. And some people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month just by doing that. The other way to do this is to sell ebooks. You can do that as well. I've seen some people make insane amounts of money just by selling ebooks. They're not expensive, but they do pile up. So if you sell them for $5 to $10, then you sell like 100, then you're making $1,000 a month. So you can sell that, and you can also sell courses. Courses sell for much more expensive. It really depends on the price, depending on your niche. But if you're really interested in that, you can post courses. And this is one of the best ways to make money. Like courses, you're getting 100%. It's not a commission because you created the course. It doesn't cost you anything to do, and it does cost you a bit of time. But once you've done that one time, then it just gives you money all the time, as long as you're posting on your blog. So these are the different ways that you can actually monetize your blog and create a passive income. You can also do like monthly fees for different things. Like if you create a course and you're ready to update it all the time, people can pay monthly for it. So then you'll get recurring commissions, and that will be absolutely passive income. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it, that you found some value in it, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and by the way, make sure that you do subscribe, because I really enjoy when I see that those numbers go up. So I really hope that you do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.